Hey friends, I'm going to walk you through how to start a foundational SAE. Foundational SAEs or supervised agricultural experiences are going to be the ones that we do in all of our introduction to agriculture classes. So if you are in one of the introduction to agricultural classes, you are going to start a foundational SAE where we're going to explore career options, safety, job skills, and learn more about agriculture, which we refer to as agricultural literacy. So from your home page in the AET.com, after you've logged in, you're going to hit Journal. And this first one here, Project Experience Manager, SAE WBL, we're going to select that. So right now, we have nothing started in here. You're going to go up here and you're going to hit Add New. And here at Westy, we save our foundational SAEs as your first name, your last name, and foundational SAE. Okay, this is school-based because we're going to do everything we do for this in class. I'm not going to ask you to do outside work. It's just going to be in class, and this is going to be foundational. Once you select foundational, here in the primary experience category, foundational will populate, and it will also auto-populate here in the primary subcategory. Hit save, and it'll take you back. And now you have an SAE in there. And now we have to go ahead and plan out what we're going to do. So right here, there's this little pencil, and it has this red X. Our goal is to get rid of the red X. Okay, it takes us here. We're going to scroll down a little bit so we can see everything. We're going to highlight everything here except for that last sentence. And we're going to paste it in there. Okay, so my interest and motivation for this project is, there are a couple of these that we are going to tell you exactly what to answer, and there are a couple that you're going to have to kind of think about what it is you want to get out of class this year, what it is you want to get out of this experience. Okay, so this first one, we're going to go ahead and delete this line, and we're going to say to learn more about careers, safety, job skills, and agriculture. Okay, my project will start on, that'll be whatever day it is that you're filling this out. So if it's 9/15/2020, that's what I would put there. And then end on, it's going to be May of this year. Okay, so May of this year, it would be 2021. Okay, or the end of this school year, I'm sorry. So my project goals are, here you're going to have to think about 3 things you want to learn in class this year. Okay, it could be anything. It could be something you hope to learn about animal science or plant science or mechanics, or maybe you want to learn how to fill out a resume, or you want to learn what it takes to apply for a job. Whatever it is, 3 things that are your goals for school in this class, this Introduction to Agricultural class this year. Okay. Blank is assisting me. That's whoever your teacher is. Whoever your agricultural teacher is, that's what you're going to put there. Here in this one, we're going to put all activities. Okay. And then for this last one, this is going to be one that we're going to give you the answer to as well. I'm going to delete these lines. You're going to put in lab safety, equipment safety, and biohazard safety. That's not spreading in any sort of germs or anything like that, okay? So you should have that all in. You can always hit the spell check. It's not going to recognize the word biohazard. That's fine. Okay, we're going to switch over to the time investment one. Again, you're going to copy all these, paste them in there. Okay, in class this year we have 2.5 hours every week of class time. You're going to spend 2.5 hours in these activities. Okay, your activities vary month to month, but common activities are career exploration, safety knowledge, can't type and talk at the same time, and agricultural literacy. Again, and that means that we're just learning more about agriculture, okay? And then in this bottom one, you're going to put whatever it is you want to do after you graduate high school. So my project time relates to my career plan, which is to become a veterinarian, become a YouTube star. Whatever it is you want to do after high school, put it there. Okay, for financial investment, we're just going to copy this first line. I do not need financial investments to complete this project. I'm not asking you to give us money or for you to start your own business or anything like that. I just want you to come to class and do your work. Okay, and then for this learning objectives one, add or explore skill areas. Click that. Do not navigate away from this foundational skills one. We're just going to work in this for your foundational SAE. For F&D point A1, career exploration and planning, you're going to select all of them except for this one. Okay, and I'll show you how to undo something if you have accidentally already clicked on it. F&D point A2, add these first two. F&D point A3, add those first two. And we do this because some of these things we don't actually do in intro this year. You'll do them in other classes, but you won't do them in intro, so we're not going to focus on them. F&D point A4, just the first one, and same thing with F&D point A5. Okay, so once you have all those clicked off and they've all turned that salmon color, save and back to SAE plan, and you'll see that now they've shown up here. If you happen to have clicked on one that you weren't supposed to, you just hit this little X button. It'll delete that one. Okay, just make sure you don't delete ones you were supposed to have on there. So what you're going to do now is in each of these boxes, you're just going to think about, how do I think I'm going to learn that skill this year? And there are no wrong answers except for I don't know. I don't know is not an acceptable answer. So explore areas that interest you. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to learn about different careers. Right? So you're going to go through and you're going to kind of think about, what do you think, how is a way I could do that? How could I do something like that? If you get to one and you're just really stumped, reach out to your teacher, let them know, and they will help you out. Okay? So once you're done, you hit Save All and Return. You got to fill out all those, though. Save All and Return. My little pencil now has a green check mark, and I am good to go. Okay? So that is all you'll need to do to start your foundational SAE for Introduction to Agriculture this year.